this laptop is a Lenovo V145 15AST. As you can maybe make out, you can see the screen is cracked here and along here, so it needs to be removed and replaced. These are held down just by little plastic clips underneath all the way around, so you've got to prise up the edge and then use some sort of a tool. I'm using a interesting shaped piece of plastic to free up around the edge. Right, there we go. That's that half. Now, this particular screen has 4 screws. Basically here, 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 and here. So we'll take those off. Yeah, so you can see what I'm doing. One-handed. Right, and you can see it's attached just here, so we will unattach it so have some extra illumination. Right, okay, so this tape is well and sticky. There we go. Right, and that just came off nicely actually. So, out with the old. And in with the new. I've got to make sure that this piece here goes in properly, and oops, there we go, and slides in all the way. Contacts are good. Stick that down. And it goes on there. And just before we screw it all up, we might as well start it up and make sure that it starts up and that our connection's good. Yep, our connection's good. Right. Okay. Just put the screws back in. Yep. And the best bit. There we go. That's clicked in all the way around. And there we have it. One repair. Start it up again. We don't need this anymore. And that's us.